welcome to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Today we're working on this FG or FGX, like some people know it by. Guys, we're changing to outside door handle. Now it is an extremely easy job, so that's good news for you. And I will also let you know, don't forget, Parts Factory has this product, so if you need it, link in the description, $48.30, free express Australia wide. Guys, I'm not going to stuff around with this one. The whole job's going to take a minute, so let's jump straight into it, eh? Alrighty guys, so most likely your door handle has snapped off. That's good because it's half of the job already done for you. So remove all the debris, put it to the side. But in order to get the new one in, you need to remove the lock barrel. Most likely your lock barrel has not broken, so to do that, you pop this little plastic cap, just with any sort of like sharp knife sort of device. I've got a little piece of aluminium here, but I'm having trouble. There it is. Okay, so you pop that out of the way. Now, it's a T20. So use your T20 Torx bit, and inside the door is a little E-bit, or Torx bit. Okay, so undo it completely, and cruise around to this side, and shut the door, and you can actually pull your whole lock barrel out. Now, that's almost it, guys. We're literally almost finished. Pop your door handle out if you haven't already. As we said, if yours is broken, it'll already be out. Grab all of the debris and shrapnel that are obviously around this area. Grab your new door handle, which you can get from Parts Factory. Link in the description, guys. $48.30, free express post Australia wide. Grab your new door handle. If you want to, color match it. Most people are going to do that. Go to Supercheap. Take your paint code or take your rego, have them color match the color, sand it back, spray it. You can watch a tutorial on how to do that, not on our channel though, we don't do any painting. Guys, take your color match door handle, bring it back in, slide it back in, lock barrel, back in, open your door up, tighten your T20, and never ever let a mechanic charge you $300 to do that job ever again. Alrighty guys, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our YouTube channel. We've got heaps of FGX and FG content available, such as window regs, interior door handles, etc, etc. But other than that guys, make sure you can, if you can, like this video and subscribe to the channel, because you never know when you're going to need more content like this. My name's Lucas, thanks for watching another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. I'll see you next time.